Hello guys, for today's video I will show you how to get $50 million in 5 minutes in new update car parking multiplayer. I created a new account in CPM for those who are new to CPM. This video is for you. You will get rich immediately in CPM if you watch it. If you are new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe button and bell button for notify my new video tutorial like this. So what are you waiting for? Let's go to tutorial now guys, follow the step. First step, go to your TikTok app and search car parking multiplayer live. Find a video live to give free $50 million. I got it, I have seen you give away free $50 million. Just add him guys and join his room to give you money.